Hello, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you are a regular visitor, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working on this stocking. It's a regular size stocking. I also line it. So let's get started. So I have the pattern in the description below, and this is how you can assemble it. It's 3 pieces there's an A and B and C, so you want to make sure you match your arrows and make sure they like I'm showing you here. And for the rest of the stocking is on the other page, and there is a piece that with the part C that I'm not going to use for this tutorial. I might use it in a different tutorial as well. So I went ahead and I cut my pieces. You need 2 pieces of exterior or the main fabric, and 2 pieces of lining, and also a piece for your a holder for your stocking, and a decorative ribbon. So first we are going to align the lining piece with the main piece and make sure the right side facing each other, and we're going to sew from the top for both pieces of the stocking. Once you've done that, now we are going to work on the loop or the holder. So you want to sew in the 2 edges of this loop, and then once you finish sewing it, and you will be tucking it inside from the side I'm showing you. So this is how it should look like after sewing the edges together. Now I'm going to add my decorative ribbon to my stocking. Now I'm going to work on adding my decorative ribbon. I decided to glue it rather than sew it. So this is a nozzle visible. It just looks like a visible web that you buy off the fabric store, and it's nozzle. You just iron on top of it, and it will stick everything together. So this is how it should look like after adding my decorative ribbon. And now we are going to assemble the whole stocking. We're going to leave an opening in the stocking lining. You can have it from the bottom or from the side of the lining. And this is how it should look like after sewing all the stocking together. Now we are going to turn it inside out. Make sure that you cut your edges and with maybe bacon shears, or maybe just do some notches. Now we are going to turn our stocking inside out from the opening we left. And now we are going to close our opening. We finally completed our project. If you made a stocking like this, please send me some pictures. I have my Instagram and Facebook in the description below. And don't forget to check out the rest of the videos I have on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.